Ever lost an important Google Sheet and panicked? Well, don't worry. Today I'll show you easy ways to back up your Google Sheet so you never lose your data again. Open your Google Sheet, pick File, and Dummy. Choose a format that is Excel if you want to edit data, PDF for read-only version, or CSV for raw data. And that's it. Your backup is ready on your computer. And another one, a backup inside a Google Drive, no problem. For that, open your Google Sheet, click File, the copy, choose a folder and rename it if needed, and click OK. And that will be saved in your drive. Select your Google Drive folder to sync automatically. Enable offline mode so your files are always accessible. Now you should always act up. And there you go. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you would like to learn more about Google Sheet feature.